Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix common Replit database problems in 2026. So, if your database isn't connecting, saving data, or loading information correctly, this guide will help you troubleshoot the most common issues. First, open your Replit project and carefully check the exact error message you're receiving. Many database issues provide clues that can help identify the root cause right away. Next, verify that your database credentials are correct. Make sure the database URL, username, password, and any required connection settings match the values provided by your database service. If you're using environment variables or secrets, open the secrets section and confirm that all required values have been added correctly. Yeah, even a small typo can prevent a successful connection. If you're using a third-party database provider, verify that your network settings, access permissions, and database rules allow connections from your application. Once you've made any necessary corrections, save your changes and test the connection again. If the database connects successfully, try creating, reading, or updating sample data to confirm everything is working properly, and that's it. Those are the most common ways to fix Replit database problems in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.